let's see what's going on. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Okay, let's see what happens here. As you can see, whoa, whoa, look at that. Mad. Oh shit. Sorry, just trying to adjust some things. I mean, let's just take a look at this on the 15-minute chart. Look, we've broken above that Trendmaster, started to add to the positions, come back down, retested the Trendmaster, and then that spike. In this range chart up here. Not too sure whether it's a good idea at the moment. It just allows me to see these deltas a bit more. That's broke the rate. That broke that daily high. Look, come down and retested that. So we've got 4 minutes. Tempted to close a bit of this.
Order pending. Order pending. Order canceled.
Just close that before anything happens. So what they're forecasting here, let's have a little look. So previous, let's see which one. So we want the month on month, 1%, and looking at 1.1%. So anything lower than 1.1% could be a very interesting day. So this is the one excluding the food and energy. And we're last time was 6%, and now they're looking at 5.8%. So they're looking on an improvement. So anything higher than 5.8% could spell trouble. strap in then. I mean, one of the things I was looking at real quick if I've got time, butterfly pattern. Okay, look at the top left hand, sorry, we've got this 1 hour chart here. Okay, 2 crosses, 1 cross at the bottom. Oh, 5.9. .7. Raise those gains, look. Coming underneath the Trendmaster now. Retesting the open. Okay, lost the range chart completely. Look at the range chart print out. Oh my god, I think my computer's going to crash. That range chart, look at it, it's just struggling. Printing all that. Okay, what else we got? We got 9.1%. Damn. Don't understand why these are green. Okay.
Order pending.
Range chart is just eating at my computer CPU. I mean, look at that printing, the deltas at the bottom. Don't know why this spread must be crazy.
Order pending.
Yeah. Okay, so what I was talking about with this butterfly pattern, okay. Is, you know, we've got this butterfly pattern. I'm just going to draw some lines on this actually. Let's just open this up. So this is where we're at since yesterday. Oh dear, mate. Yeah, so if it breaks, pretty much breaks below this low here, it's just going to invalidate this butterfly pattern. But to be honest with you, I'm not too sure what's going to happen. But yeah, what I was saying was it's about this butterfly pattern. Every time I start talking about this butterfly pattern, there's some volatility. So XABCD, I was just looking at the targets for some of these. Okay, so start drawing some lines on this and just cover this butterfly pattern a second. So we can just
Order pending.
so can't do a trailing stop on this, which is unfortunate. Okay, so what we're looking for is X, A, B, C, D. So we're just going to break down this butterfly pattern. So X to A. So this is going to be X, okay, and this is going to be A. So we'll just draw this line on here. This is X to A. Now look at this cross that's coming here. Okay, so this cross is coming. It's about volume, speed of order, etc. You can see this delta down here, all good. So then from there we've got the impulse wave, so A, B, B, C, C, D, etc. So this would be this. Okay, up to here. And this would be the reversal zone, which you can see is a kind of pattern. Let's turn this bracket down. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, this trade's annoying me now. Yeah, so XA, AB, BC, CD. Now, we're just going to work through this. So we'll just skip through the criteria for identifying the pattern. Okay, fine. The pattern's been identified using the algos. Now, what I'm looking for is the targets. Okay, so where are the targets, where are the reversal points, and so on. So basically, as you can see, some of these targets is like 78% of the final CD. So as you can see here, 78%. So what, oh dear, what I'm talking about on this particular butterfly pattern as it prints out is the cross down on the A point, okay, and then this cross that's coming here, okay. So if we just measure from this point to the top point there, and then we talk about this cross that's coming, I'm going to measure it from the actual pattern point there. So 78.6, as the price has come down in, it's come up, and this cross has come in at this around the 61.8 area, let's call it that, 78.6. So it's come in at that point, and it's very interesting for me because I just wanted to just break down this butterfly pattern. We can break down other patterns as they come in and so on, but I just found it very interesting. So we're going to see what happens here. The cross is broken, 78.6 area being retested. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this is from that Pro Scrape trading school. You can see all the butterfly patterns and stuff, cipher patterns, see where the targets are. Very cool, especially when you know all the different targets. Oh shit. Okay, we'll keep this open, man. Oh, look at this cross, it's just coming there. Okay. So I think we'll work up to about 20 on the position size in here. We'll see what happens. It's starting off very slow. I mean, this 88.6 level's looking tasty in and around that cross, but these CPI numbers do not really sit well. This is exactly what happens. It's happening every single week, every single time it prints. Let's add in a little bit here. So we've got 4 run-ins so far.
Order pending.
Oh dear. So we've got this cross here. Usually if the cross breaks, then it's no-go. Damn man, I can't even draw anything on this chart. It's just locks. Uh-oh. I'm going to lose the chart. No, we're going to have to get rid of this. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Watch this as it completely melts down. But yeah, this delta that happened yesterday, that was absolutely crazy. I mean, let's just go over this on the, where is it? 5-minute chart. So this was a clean, you know, almost like an accumulation for maybe this move right now that's happening. So this delta that come in, no, let's go on the 5-minute chart. It's better on that. Okay, so basically, as the price is coming down here, I notice these deltas being printed, and then just look at this delta. So this delta comes in, and I get an alert when it happens, and it's like, okay, cool, heads up. We've got the overwatch that's come down here. We've got these divergences coming in. It's like, okay, cool. And then as look, keep your eye on this at the bottom here. Okay, this green triangle that's coming in. Okay, so we've got 2 big green triangles, and then we're gonna, as price moves up towards the Trendmaster, look, it touches the Trendmaster, big green triangles printing in. Okay, so look at this now. Look, got 3 big triangles, literally dwarfing all the other triangles, and this is almost like by volume. You don't know whether it's you know, out balancing the sellers or anything. It doesn't work like that. You can just see the speed and the size of the volume coming in. So as this is sitting here, I'm thinking, okay, cool, so, you know, what's going to happen here? You start to move up again towards the Trendmaster, okay, and look at this triangle, it's bigger than the previous three. Keeps printing and completely just dwarfs everything out of the water, look. Crazy, look at that. So it just leaves one triangle, literally leaves nothing else on the, you know, I thought the indicator broken, but it just, because the triangle's so big, it dwarfs everything, and also it dwarfs anything that's in the future. Look, you can't see it. A little bit annoying, but hey ho. So that's come in, and you know what I was talking about on this this previous time. Let's see if we can see any other big. No, I have to load the chart up. But the last time that come in, it was kind of like you know, accumulation, and then moved into a distribution phase. So it's going to be interesting, you know, back testing some of these, looking at some of those, how they work, especially with the Overwatch, because this has come in. Look, it's literally come. It's hit the Trendmaster, okay, on those smaller deltas, and then as it's moving down, it's just absorbed everything, all the buy orders, like almost like proper. You know, almost like absorbing everything,
Order pending.
oh dear, manipulating it down as far as they can, and then, you know, when everybody's out the market, they're going to push it up, which is pretty much exactly what happened. So if you look on this chart, you can only see this delta, and prices move down. Delta's come in into the Overwatch boundary. Okay, it's bottomed out pretty much, and then this session low here, just there, you know, was 1, 2, 3, and then it started to move up. It started to move up, retested the session high, pretty much spot on exactly, and then just dumped. Now, I just want to make one thing clear. Look at the timings here, guys. The timing, okay, how this has all worked out. Like, you know, from this Trendmaster test, 1, 2, 3, moved down, 1, 2, 3, and then it's just moved up, and over time, pretty much for 12 hours, it's moved up and touched the previous session high exactly at the time when the news was released, the CPI numbers. So, and people come to me and they say, oh, it's manipulated, or it's a manipulated market, etc. It's like, yeah, it's like everything's manipulated, man. Wake up. Okay, so I think with that being said, we're going to lock it off now and maybe have some lemon balm tea. All the best.